back, everyone. How are you all doing today? And in today's video, I just want to quickly update us on my current trades, okay? On my prop account, of course. I want to show you the trade I've opened. I want to show you the one that closed out in loss or in profit. And I also want to update us on how the account is going so far, because I told you yesterday that if I open a trade, I'm going to update you. If I close the trade, I'm going to update you as well. So I just want to quickly do that before I get real busy or before I actually forget to record the video. So first off, the pound CHF trade I opened yesterday, which was right here, okay, this pound trade actually closed me out in loss, okay. So I also go back to TradingView to show us what happened and how that play out. So the pound CHF closed out somewhere in the morning around 9:23, or I think it's around 10:30 a.m. in the morning in Nigerian time, actually. And why was that? I think that could be attached to the flash PMI data that came out for pound later yesterday morning around 9:30 a.m. So that could have been the key player there. I was actually expecting the market to actually push up, because GU pound USD actually went up just for a minute, okay, but instead pound CHF instead came down and it got me close out in minus $25, which is minus my normal 1%. Don't forget I only risk 0.5% on the account, okay. I risk 0.5%. I want to take it slow, and I want to see how long it's going to take to actually pass the challenge with 0.5% using swing trade and price action, basically. So USD JPY on the other hand closed out in a very good profit, okay. Closed out somewhere around maybe 4 o'clock yesterday, 4 p.m. and it closed out in a very decent profit of $93. Actually, that was a trailing stop, okay. It got trailed out of that, okay, because the trade ran into 3.8% profit before it got trailed out. So the market actually fell to 4.5% profit. Is it 4.5 or 4.0? I think it's 4% or 4.5 basically. And then there was a pullback later in the morning during the London session. There was a pullback. Gold also went up dramatically during that period of time. And what happened instead was the trade got trailed out. And right now, as I'm seeing the market right now this morning, the time is 6:20. And today is Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024. Okay, I have to timestamp this video every time, okay. So, and it's been quite it was quite an interesting trade. I would like to say that, because I have to be grateful for everything anyways. And secondly, it closed me out in, if I should calculate this based on my personal risk management, okay, I would say it got closed out in 3.5% profit, okay, which was very good, okay. Compared to my loss, it's a very far distance. You understand what I mean? So I think that was a very decent trade, and that was a graceful trade. That's all I can say about that. And then I added another trade, which is USD CHF right there. I think I've started trading it very closely now. Okay, I joined a trade right here. I even joined later, because once I finished recording the previous video, my notification got triggered. I was waiting for 4-hour close of this particular candle, and then I ended up missing out and joining right here. It was a very painful one. I should have joined here. Okay, that was my original entry, but because I was distracted for a minute, and then somebody just ticked it, because I had like 4 notifications on this particular pair. The first one got triggered, I reset another one, the second one, the third one, and then the fourth one. Like few minutes after that, I was like, wait, where is USD CHF? What am I looking at? By the time I check it, the market has actually dropped in like 35 pips, okay, in my direction. So I just had to jump in, and I was like, well, if it's a late entry, it's fine. But it kind of reduced my risk to reward. It reduced my RR on the trade. I'm still going to show you on the chart on TradingView anyways. So that was quite annoying, okay, in a way, but it's distraction. It happens every time. So this trade currently is running in a very small profit right now of 25%. I think that's our original 1% profit, so it's fine. And the trailing stop has started already, and I'm trailing. How much am I trailing anyways? I'm trailing something around $9.34 36 cents actually. So I'm trading $9.36, and it's not bad at all. If because like I said, every single penny I'm able to make in the market is just very, very gracious. I have to be gracious of that. So I'm trading at $9.36 right now. My target is ultimately $98. Okay, I don't know where that's coming from, but I think there must be a reason for that TP. So let's take a look at that. Okay, no, this is my TP. Okay, that's what I say. I really use TP. Okay, I really use TP. I just put the thing there, and then I just wanted to run its course. Okay, but that TP was just a fanciful, just in case the market decided to just came down and then bounce off, something like this. When you see a move like this, okay, something like this. Okay, that's why I sometimes set TP for pairs that does that. Okay, NZD card doesn't have TP, and I'm gonna show you in a few minutes. Okay, so that is the reason why the TP is there, and trailing stop is also there, because as a swing trader, you know that you have to open a trade overnight, and anything can happen in the middle of the night. Okay, so you just have to keep protecting yourself. It's always about capital protection for me in trading. So NZD card is still running, and the trade has been running for the past 2 weeks now, I guess, because I opened a trade on the 19th of this month. Okay, and this trade was open on the 24th, which is USDHF. You can see on the 24th, and it was in the morning. This was also open in the morning anyways, but it was since on the 19th. So I think that is over a week now, and they are both still running. This one is running like 88 pips profit, and this USCHF is running 48 pips profit. So guys, let me just take you through the reason behind my entries, and then I'll be out of your hair. You can go ahead and do some other things you want to do today. All right, or you can also pick a couple of trades today. All right, so now let's go back to the chart. First off, I would like to run you down through the trade that actually went really well for me. First is NZDCHF. Okay, I've already closed this trade. I've partial closed on my other account. Okay, I've partial closed it, but it was a very, very beautiful trade, and something is quite going on in the market right now, because I mean AUDCHF is AUD Australian dollar is going down. Gold is going down, WTI is going down, which is crude oil, silver is going down, USD is going down, USD is going down. I mean, dollar pairs are going down. Even euro dollars is also falling. You understand? Pound dollar is also falling down. Gold is falling down. I mean, almost all the major pairs aside USD is falling down. It's only USDCHF that is going up. USD card is going down. USDJPY is going down. Gold up, down. Euro dollar down. NZD USD down. Aussie dollar down. Only USDCHF is going up. You can check it out yourself. And I'm saying I'm time stamping this is 6:27 a.m. July 25th. Go and check it out. Okay, it is quite weird. I don't know what's going on, but I guess the United States dollar is flexing their muscles, I guess. I don't know, honestly, but it is what it is. But as a price action, I've never really bothered myself about what is what and why is why. I just look at the chart, pick a couple of fundamentals that best fit my system, and that I clearly understand, and I do what I trade my price action slow and steady. That has always been my plan. So NZDCHF seems to be running really well. Okay, I think my trailing stop should be somewhere around here now. I'm tight. The trailing stop is tight as anything. Okay, and pound CHF also. Okay, this is the trade that closed out in loss. Okay, you can see right there. It was quite dramatic. Sorry for that. It was quite dramatic. The market didn't even breathe a profitable here. It just came all the way down and just closed me out and lost straight and swift. Okay, and USDJPY, this is the other trade. This is the trade that actually got trailed out in profit. You can see the target is still ultimately down based on what I showed you yesterday anyways. But fortunately, okay, you can see this. If I extended this 5% profit, okay, that's 5% profit. However, it got traded out somewhere around here. Which is around 3.2%. Okay, which is fine. I'm not gonna rush into this. I'm not gonna run after it, but I just want to keep it because I have to journal this eventually. So I just want to keep it to see if we actually touch that level. Then I'm gonna journal it, and that's all. Okay, that's the reason why I stayed there. So this is NZD card, and it's currently still running in profit. You can see it right there. Okay, the target is still far below here. I'm not sure if it's gonna get there, but my trailing stop is already here, which is me keeping 1% already. No, it's not up to 1%. I'm not sure it's up to 1%. I think it should be around 0.6%. Okay, it should be around 0.6%. So if I can get another push to the downside successfully, that break below this low, my stop loss, my trailing stop will be put here automatically, and this notification right here will probably be adjusted to this level, just a little bit below it, just in case the market triggered it, and then I'll know that okay, my stop loss will get taken out soon enough. All right, that's why the notification is always below my trailing stop, just to notify me ahead that okay, something is happening, so I'll go check it out. All right, so that's NZD card trade. And finally and lastly, this is my USDCHF trade. Okay, and like I said, I joined the trade quite late. I think I joined, where is 4 hour? Okay, give me a minute, let me actually check here. USDCHF. Okay. Okay, let's go back to, let me take it to 1 hour so I can put this, because this was how I planned the trade. Okay, but it wasn't where I joined the trade. Okay, then I joined the trade right here, somewhere in the middle, where the entry price is 0. Let me drag this here again, 0.8263, 0.8263. So let's check it. I think it should be the same. 0.8263. No, 0.8810, right there. You can see 0.88810, 88810. Like I said, I joined the trade very late. It was disgraceful. I don't want to use disgraceful, but it was annoying. Honestly, it was very annoying. I did not like this. I did not like this at all. But there is nothing I can literally do. It is out of my power. It's out of my control. I just have to take out boss, because this should be my entry right here at the top. That's my entry. Okay, and the plan is just to risk for, I think, 35 pips. Okay, 35 pips. But right here, I think I'm risking 45 pips now. All right, so it actually reduced my lot size, and also it extends my TP zone. Okay, extend my TP level. Like, I had to extend it because, but overall, it's, I guess, if I get this profit all the way down to March low, it's gonna be a very fine trade after all. But it might just take a minute before I get all of that. Okay, it could be, it's gonna be a very fine trade, but it might take a minute. Okay, it might take a minute. So that's that on USDCHF. All right, my trailing stop is right here. I'm definitely not going to play with my trailing stop on this one. Okay, I am definitely not going to play with my trailing stop on this one. So my trailing stop is right here, and I want to see how this goes. All right, that trailing stop is too tight because it's just $9. Okay, you saw it the other time. It's just $9, but I would really love to see the market actually jump all the way down here to at least 27%, minus 27% Fibonacci extension. If I get it to this level, then my trailing stop will now become very tight. Okay, neat tight. But before that, I think I have to just see how this all goes. Okay, and you can see my notification is also here, right below my trailing stop right here. Okay, so that is that, guys. Let's see how this goes together. Okay, the trade is still quite running profit. If I add on to the trade, or if I pick another trade and I add to this position, I'm gonna show you. If I don't, then I guess you won't get any video from me again. That's exactly what I said yesterday before I ended the video, and that's what I'm doing now before I end this video. So have a nice one, guys. The account is running quite well. Okay, we are up, I think, 2.3%. Okay, we are up with $110 profit, and all of these trades are already locked, so I can't lose any trade any of this trade is almost impossible unless the market just jump over my stop loss, jump over my entry, and then I don't know, maybe it can happen. It's the financial market. I'm just kidding. It can't happen. I trust C-Trader and I trust FundingPips. They're not gonna make that happen to me. But if it eventually happen, it is what it is. Never say never, right? Never say never. So that's that, guys. I'm gonna catch you later. All right. Have a fanciful day and have fun.